Hi guys, this is Tony Kitchen. Today I'm doing a collaboration with the very beautiful Nicole and my family. Their channel is so fun, guys. It's family oriented. She does challenges and giveaways. So head on over there and check them out after watching this video. The link is in the title. So today we're making a delicious Cajun seafood sauce. This is the best homemade seafood sauce I know you will love. It's rich, spicy, buttery, and packed with garlic flavor. It pairs well with your favorite seafood boil, shrimp, or scallops, or just about any fish you desire. You name it. So let's get started. So we're going to start off by cooking our pasta. We're going to add a little bit of oil to the water. I'm using whole wheat pasta today. So while that's boiling, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of oil. So while the butter and oil is melting, we're going to go ahead and cut up 1 medium tomato. So now we're going to add the tomatoes to the oil mix. We're going to let these cook down for about 2 minutes. So while the tomatoes are cooking down, we're going to go ahead and chop up our onion. This is a half of onion. So it looks like the tomatoes have cooked down. They're nice and soft. So now we're going to add the onions to the mix. So now we're going to add our frozen mixed peppers. These are a lot more convenient to me than the fresh peppers. You can use any color you like. We're going to mix this up and let it cook down for about 2 minutes. I'm going to take 5 cloves of garlic and add it to the mix. So here I have about a pound of perch. I'm going to season it with some salt, some Cajun seasoning, chili powder, and some fresh lemon juice. I'm going to turn it over to season the other side. So now it's been about 10 minutes and we've cooked the vegetables all the way down. So now it's time to add more seasoning. This is where you can use salt and pepper or whatever your favorite seasoning is. I'm gonna use salt-free original blend. It has black pepper, garlic, parsley, celery, onions, carrots, basil, lemon juice, mustard seeds. It just has a lot of good seasoning and flavors. This is what I'm going to use to season my vegetables. We're going to add 3/4 cup vegetable broth, and 3/4 cup heavy cream. We're going to stir this up on medium heat. I'm going to add a hot chili pepper. When cooking with chilies, keep in mind that the smallest peppers are generally the hottest, and that the seeds and stems are the hottest parts of the peppers. There are more than just heat. Each chili has its own unique pungent flavor. I really appreciate the flavor and the sensation of the red peppers. Now it's time to add your fish. You can use whatever fish you like. Scallops, crabs, tilapia, catfish, lobster. But this perch is what we had on hand today, so that's why I'm using perch. Take a spoon and cover the fish with all of this delicious cream sauce. You want to make sure that it's fully covered. This smells divine. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. I'm going to turn the fish over so that it can cook a little bit on the other side. I'm going to let that cook for another 5 minutes.
I wish there was a virtual smell button so that you can smell the aroma. So delicious. So now we can add our pasta. I've drained it. So now we're just gonna add it to the fish mixture. We're gonna sprinkle some Italian seasoning on top. Just for added flavor.